Okay, so today I am reviewing my blender here. I'm going to be making a smoothie. I'm using Dough Crafted smoothie blends, the tropical fruit flavor or blend, some juice, and a few yogurts. I want to try to keep it all in the same, flavor direction. These are the smoothie blends. They started to defrost a little bit because I've been sitting here preparing. I washed my blender out. So first I like to add my ice. I guess you can do this in whichever way you prefer, but well, actually, since this is upside down, I'll add my frozen fruit first. Excuse me, I've never been good at public speaking, so my words might get a little mixed up here. I think I want to add a little more fruit. I also have this, but I wasn't really going for this flavor. I might add a little bit, a few strawberries. Okay. I'm gonna add some ice. Some yogurt, peach flavor. You can do whatever flavor mix you like based on whatever your preference is. Sometimes I use frozen strawberries, strawberry yogurt, and some bananas and orange juice. You can sort of, do what you want. Have fun with it. Try out different things. Trial and error. I'm going to add another yogurt. Sometimes if all the fruits in yogurt is really sweet, I'll use water instead of using a juice. It varies based on what I'm feeling like. Sometimes I use more ice because I like it to melt and give me more of a watery smoothie. I'll add some juice. Help everything mix. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more ice. I'm gonna pop my top on. And we're gonna try it out. This is my first time using this blender. As far as the fruit, the yogurt, and the juice and water, I like to do 1/3 of each, around 1/3. Sometimes like 1/3 of yogurt, 1/3 of juice, 1/3 of fruit. Sometimes I'm a little off based on my preference, but let's try this out. It's the power. Oh, I unplugged it. Oh, can't do it without power. Okay, that's on. As you can see, the light flash is red when it's on. That's actually on low right now. Let's try it on high. Pulse. This is pulse. So the first setting was low, the second one is high. I'll do that again. Low actually works pretty well. I was surprised, but here's low. here is high. Okay, so we're gonna try it on pulse and see what pulse is like. Also, you'd have to push it for the pulse. Okay. So let's see. Turn it off. Let's remove this. See how it turned out. I put that top on pretty tight. Very consistent. There's like no chunks anywhere. You can see the seeds from the fruit are all around, so it definitely did a full mix. There's like no blind spots where there's just yogurt or just ice or anything. Everything is fully mixed. The consistency is how I like my smoothies. If you want it thinner than that, you would either simply add more juice. Again, if you don't want your smoothies so sweet, add more water. Instead of juice, you can use water or any liquid that you want. Remember that your ice will eventually turn into liquid too, so you want to keep that in mind based on how long you're going to be taking to consume your smoothie. Any fruit mix that you want. I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I actually had strawberries and bananas to the side just in case I changed my mind. I had some strawberry and banana yogurt. I have orange juice, but I decided to go with the tropical fruit blend. So yeah, that's basically it. It's a pretty decent blender. It worked for me. I only wanted it for my smoothies, and that's that. Yeah, that's actually a good recipe, so you might want to take notes of that. That's amazing. This is a great blender. Definitely an upgrade from my last